Alright guys, so I'm in Montreal right now. I came here yesterday to look at a 9-unit, 3-bedroom luxury deal in downtown Montreal for rental arbitrage. On the way here though, we stopped by and saw a Lamborghini dealership on the way. So my brother, I'm like, you know what, we got a few hours to kill, let's just go inside and check it out. I go inside and I see a beautiful blue Lamborghini that I actually will like. And I thought to myself last night, I'm like, you know what, I haven't bought myself anything in a very, very long time. It's not really gonna hurt, let's just go buy it. So, this morning we woke up, went to the bank, threw a bunch of cash, and now we're gonna go buy this Lamborghini. Come check it out. Alright guys, so we're inside the dealership right now. This is Lamborghini Montreal, one of the oldest dealerships in all of North America for Lamborghini. Yesterday I told the salesman I'm really interested in the car, I sort of do like it. Today I made up my mind, got the bag of cash with me, so I sign it, make it happen.
Hi.
How's it going?
Hi, Mr. Zafar. How are you?
Yeah, nice to meet you again.
Yeah, nice meeting you again.
It's actually made up my mind and decided to come back and buy that Lamborghini we were talking about.
Oh, yeah? The blue one?
Yeah, the blue one.
Super, super. You want to sit down and
Let's try to see, yeah.
You want to, you're going to need finance or you're going to lease the car?
I know, I bought cash.
Oh, okay. So, Mr. Zafar, you need a couple of minutes? I'll go upstairs at the accounting office. I'll come back, count everything. Sounds good, okay? Thank you. Hold on. Thank you.
Take your time.
Mr. Zafar, while I was upstairs, we prepared all the documents for you. So we're gonna sign all the paperwork together. This here has your keys. So we're gonna check all the documents together to make sure that all the information are correct. Yep. And then I'll ask you to sign also all your documents. Yep. All right. So this here is just what we call a sticker window. Yep. It's a document that shows the mileage, year of vehicle, the model, everything. All the information you need is there. The price of the vehicle before taxes. So I need a signature right here at the bottom. Thank you very much. This here is the sales contract. So there's multiple pages. So I just want to be sure that all the information are correct. Yep. And your serial number. So I need your initials at the bottom there. Yep. Yeah. Second page, which there's no trade-in. This is the price, including all the taxes. Everything is there.
So I give you $310,000 in cash. I don't have to pay a tax I have to pay at the ministry when I register the vehicle.
Exactly.
So what happens if I don't pay that tax?
Well, you cannot get your license plate, sir.
Ah, okay. I was just curious.
It's okay. This is all the laws that you have when you purchase a car, and I need full signatures as what you got to take delivery of your vehicle. There we go. Thank you very much. There's going to be one copy for you, then also one copy for me. So this is exactly what you signed earlier. So initials, same thing, initials.
Ask me another $24,000 in taxes to the Common Ontario. Who's tax? Oh, read them later.
Exactly. It is your car now.
Awesome. Thank you.
Congratulations again. So thank you for your trust. Well, I'm there. So you have here one of the key of the vehicle. Yep. Inside, and when the car will be delivered, you'll have the second key of the vehicle. Okay.
Sounds good.
So this is what you get here, and I'm gonna put all your contracts also into this box here, so you'll have all your documents. When you're gonna go to the license plate office, you will need all the documents inside that box.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Can I get a free hat?
Of course, I prepared a gift for you.
Thank you.
And when they go to get the car with their when's it close? I just want to show you. So you just go slow down, okay? And you just push, that's it. You don't slam.
Got the slow and then push slow.
Yeah, and in the back, it's the same thing. okay? Or you can let it go 6 inches and it's supposed to go automatically.
The back over the not.
Yes.
First, what's at the back?
Yeah, I need to show you everything in the car before you leave.
Oh, I will.
Okay, so when you want to open the engine bay, just watch out and read it.
And then here, right there.
And what did you get? Right?
Yeah.
What's what it tried? And we go on, it's 40 inches bay, but 40 inches in the car. I need to press here without pushing the brake. You see that everything light up?
Yeah.
And you push that hole.
Okay.
There we go. And you shove back here from now that's successful.
You know, it's pretty surreal coming today, buying this Lamborghini all in cash. My wife and I literally started this business 20 months ago in November, December of 2020. Literally, I remember all the things that we had to go through. I never at that point did I ever imagine this is like we would get to. When I first started this business, literally the only thing I wanted to accomplish was to maybe make 5-10K a month, have a little bit of a side income, just so I can have a little easier life out with my 9-to-5 job. If you would have told me 20 months ago, you're going to be walking to a Lamborghini dealership, spending $300,000 in a car in cash and driving it out, I honestly would not have believed you, because at that point, I did not dream big enough. Now, 20 months later, I realized that was a huge problem because I was limiting myself because of my beliefs. This is just the beginning. This is car number 1. Next year I might buy a Matador. Next year I might buy something else. We'll see. But now that I know the business is going the way that I want it to go, the opportunity only ends from here. In terms of the car itself, it's a Lamborghini Huracan 2015 610 LP. Well, I got really lucky with when I wanted to buy the car. It was 300,000 Canadian dollars. Literally a week ago, it's funny, the exchange rate from US to Canadian was about 1.3, 1.29. Today it's 1.38. So buying it in Montreal, I saved about $20,000 just in the conversion alone. Now, if I were to buy the car from Texas or Michigan, I'd be paying at least $240 American. I ended up paying like $215, $220 Canadian, and then plus, give it 13% HST. That definitely did help. So literally 20 months ago, I was literally working a 9-to-5 job, and there's no difference between you and I. The way I got here is by literally just grinding every single day. You can do the exact same. I don't possess any special skills. I'm not high IQ gifted. I'm none of that. I'm literally just someone who works hard and grinds every single day. So if you want to keep following on this journey, I want you to like, comment, subscribe. My TikTok is down here. My Instagram is down here. And I know I already said it, but subscribe is down here.